So today is the 24th, 25th. What is today?
I think 26.
25th.
No, oh, you're
Close the door. So today we go out to the storm to have fun a little bit. Ven acá, Irán. No, no lo cierres. Así, sí, sí, cierra. Cierra. What do you have to say, bro?
I don't know. It's gonna be fun today. It's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna be laughing when I tell this guy in the snow.
Let's
yeah.
see.
Am I here?
No, let's go.
Oh my God, it's snowing so hard. God, get out! Holy moly! Ah, Emma! Oh my God! Ah, ah, oh my God! Come on, get ready, get ready! Get ready! Get ready! Stupid! No! Ah, oh, no. Emma!
What?
The baseball bat!
Oh, we're gonna play with the bike.
What's up?
Oh, the ball. We need the ball.
What's in?
You throwing balls to me?
No! We need a bat. Yeah, it's because when I had this, it's like
You gonna play some?
No. No. Should we stay like over there so we can cool down?
Yeah.
Hey,
Let's go in, baby, a little bit. It's too cold. So cold. Inside.
no, we're not gonna go inside. Where are we going? Come on. We're going back inside for a little bit. Come on. Right here. We're gonna just stand right here. Down. How do you know it was gonna be that cold? We need a mask. You can cover your thing.
It's freezing. Está haciendo un frío del carajo.
Is your gloves freezing?
No, my hand is good.
Bro!
Ah,
Mine's is cold.
what happened, bro? You good?
Yeah.
Los mocos se le están saliendo. Let me see. Look clear up. Look clear up.
Nah,
Did
but
I told you inside? What's gonna happen?
we slammed you though.
How?
We took you to the ground.
I took you to the ground, bro. What
I
you
took
talking
you to the ground too. Because when you were down on the ground, I tried to jump on top of you, but I don't know how you got up. Oh, look at my legs.
about? Look at that. Mira,
It's in my...
pues tú de-
Oh, Cristiano's plants. His plants are covered in snow now.
What are you doing, man? Honestly.
I just want... Oh! Let's go back. Bring back. Oh, we're doing a free-for-all. Ah, not yet!
That's what you get.
Not yet!
I told you what's gonna happen.
Not yet, though. Yo, Cristiano's trunk!
You want me to put it in the
Do
truck?
it. I dare you. I would. Cristiano's what? Oh. Cristiano's truck is filled with snow.
It's crazy.
Yo.
Déjame ver, ponte para allá. Mete los pies abajo para ver how deep is it. Dig in, dig in.
Ah. It's over here. Watch. It's deep.
Deep. How many inch? What do you think?
12 to 13 inches. Leap back. Leap back. Ah. Look, Emma.
Boom.
Look. Emma, look. Ah! Yo, he's dragging you through the snow. Ah! Attack him. We're doing a free-for-all. It's raining hard.
Un muñeco.
Hágalo ahí, mira. Que hay mucha nieve.
Pues bueno, para no meternos ahí. No le gusta. No es complicado. Bebé, hasta así que tiene un moco.
No, you don't, man. He's lying. You don't.
Igual.
Oh, yo ya no la uso.
Vamos a sumir.
Es una pelota esto.
No,
Yo
para allá
me-
no. Coge lo de acá, aquí, mira.
Rojito. Mira.
Run!
Está floja todavía.
Ah! No! No, 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 no! No!
Agarra el pie.
No, no,
El pie, agarra.
no! You too- Ah! Ah, it burns.
No, no tiene la cara, bebé. En la cara no. En la cara no.
Ah! Yo, you think about... Ow! No, it burned. Lee. Ah. Okay, hold on. Ah! Ah! Oh, my bad.
En la cara no de nuevo. No lo voy a echar en la cara. Ven.
Bebé, no.
Cállate. Oh my God. Lo moco. Ella para allá.
Necesito una máscara. I am the king of the snow. Man it up.
Ay, Pepe. Ah,
Ah.
kick your ass in a race. Ven, ven. Vete por aquí.
No,
Una
he
carrera.
didn't.
Una carrera. Denle para la esquina, venga. Oh.
That is deep. Oh, we can play here. Like this.
Go to the, let's race.
Aquí de ahí.
Hmm?
Come on. Look at me. Come right here.
Is that corner? Over here. You guys can walk. Go ahead.
So we
No, just walk. You guys gonna run when you came back.
I fell. It's not fair. Huh? I like to that one. Look, I was doing it. Look.
Mira, ya rompiste. Tú acabas con todo. Ya lo rompiste. Yo también.
Bebé, ¿no?
Wow. Ven acá, venga. Muévete. Muévete.
Yeah. There should be no cars out here. Oh, there's another one coming.
Another one coming. Mira, move.